Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade on the Sierra chart. And first of all, what we're gonna do is first we go to trade and we make sure that we turn on the trade simulation mode. So we click on that, then we do yes, and then from now here standing at Tuesday sim. So that means that we turn on the simulation. Then after that we go to chart and we click on chart settings. And then from there we click here on symbol. And then we can play right here with the tick size. You need to fill in the tick size that you need for the valuta of type that you will trade. So make sure that you fill in that one. You can also find the tick size on Google. So search for the correct tick size. Then we do apply and then we do OK. And then after that, we can start place a trade by just going to trade. And then we can click on the open trade window for charts or attach so that it's always standing right here. And then we can buy and sell and place here the trade. So this is how you can paper trade on the Sierra chart. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.